Hi guys, Captain Nick here with MarineMax in St. Petersburg, Florida. Beside me right now is an all-new Boston Whaler 170 Montauk. Many can make a very strong case that this is the most popular whaler of all time. I'd have to agree, and let me show you why. One of the advances that they made on this boat right here, swing tongue trailer. 170 Montauk, with this enclosed, going to be able to fit into most two-car garages, which is a real plus because you're not going to have to find a storage place to keep your boat and pay for it every single month. We're actually working with quite a bit of options here on this boat. Bow pad right there, give everybody a place to lounge out up front. And you notice here we've got the high bow rails. Now it looks nice and it serves a purpose too, especially if you have little kids on the boat. It adds a safety feature for all the little ones. Of course, in Florida, you know, we rigged this baby out with a bimini top, keep that sun off you. In here, got a little bit more storage underneath the center console. Next thing you're going to notice, we've also got the rails back here. This is the full-blown rail package, give everybody something to hang on to. Back here we're powered by a Mercury 90 horsepower 4-stroke, super reliable, super quiet, and is going to pack plenty of punch for you to get out on the water and ski or fish or whatever it might be with your family. I know what everybody's wondering right now. Hey Nick, what are you going to name this boat? You haven't given it a name yet. Well, here it is. Memory maker. The reason I say that, there's been more memories made on a Boston Whaler 170 Montauk than any boat on the water today, going back generations with your father, grandfather, grandmother, your mom. Everybody has a story about a 170 Montauk, whether it's on a lake or on the ocean. So once again, I'm Captain Nick with MarineMax in St. Petersburg, Florida. This is a 170 Montauk by Boston Whaler, and I would love nothing more than to show her to you and your family. Bye guys.